What's up guys, today we'll be unboxing this new Red Dragon Fizz keyboard that I bought from a store called akko. And this jelly blue keyboard switches from Data Blitz. Also, the reason why I didn't include a plastic for this is because this one is too big and I don't want to waste plastic. So anyways, let's get unboxing. And also, everything has been tested when I was at the mall to make sure the parts aren't broken, and we tested also the switches to see if it works. Wow, they even gave us free extra switches. A sticker and some instructions. And that's it. Also, you've got to hear this clicking sound. It's so satisfying. It's so satisfying. I'm just going to get this cable. This. Remove this USB cover. Plug the USB-C port, the keyboard. Then after plug it into my laptop in the background. Look for the space. Wait for it to finish booting. And as you can see, it's already connected. So let's test it. As you can see, it works perfectly. And I'm going to install the software for it. I'm going to open Edge, then type in, and wait, I'm still trying to open. Work on download. Search. Today we will be making ice cream. So let's start the video. now we'll click on search, open up, click on software, wait for it to install, open file, extract. I will extract to my downloads. Even sorry for the cutoff. The phone is full. I'll just click on OK. Wait for it. Is it there? Nope, not yet. Forgot to click on this. Okay, it's done. Okay, it's there. Wait before use. Yes, okay. Next. Install. Run. So the app. As you can see, it's identifying the colors I set it to. Then I click on blue. When I click on blue, the color blue, it sets to that color only. Let's try green. Make sure it's bright. First, I click on set speed to 4. And oh, it's still blue. Apply. Let's try setting R to 0. Let's try this instead. Now it's only lighting up green, and now it's set up. Click on apply. Okay, then after the app is closed, I can just simply exit the app. Well, and then let's change the switches between the new switch and the original. Now I finished switching the keys. Note I only do the letters. Like look, here it's not all changed. I guess only a few remain and a few have been used. And there's a difference. There's a difference between these switches. Anyways, that's all for today. I hope you like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell for more updates about my vlog. Thank you. Bye.